Me to your side. Napakanta tayo. Tayo ay papuntang work. So ayun mga mima, sa papunta ako ng work, samahan nyo ako in today's video. Talaga na pag-uusapan natin ang top 3 quick cash loan na pwede mong applyan online via their website. Di mo na kailangan ng app na yan. Kasi eto mas safe siya. Hindi naman 100% safe, pero syempre 'di ba, mas mapa-prevent yung exposure ng ating kaimpormasyonan, 'di ba? Kapag website na lang tayo mag-a-apply na diretso, hindi na kailangan mag-download ng mga app, hindi mo na kailangan mag-allow ng mga permissions, mga ganon, which yung karamihang mga OLA required na i-access nila yung calendar mo, location, pictures, gallery, videos, at kung anek-anek, pati contacts, hindi ba? Dito sa mga babanggitin kong mga online loans, hindi mo na kailangan ng mga ganun. But syempre, mamimili pa rin kayo kung ano yung talagang best suit for your needs. Kung sa tingin nyo okay for your utang journey, hindi ba? So, kailangan nyo din mag-research ng bonggang-bongga bago kayo mag-apply. Kasi nga, it's a risky decision ng pag-a-apply ng mga loans kapag, syempre, hindi ba, kung hindi kayo nakapag-research ng mabuti. Pagkakakilanlan ng mga loans online na mga ito o kahit sa mga legit pa na mga pautangan, hindi ba? So, napaka-importante ang pagre-research. So, do your own research and of course, be a responsible jutangera. And of course, kung ikaw talaga naman naghahanap ng alternatibong cash loan na pwede mong jutangan in times of difficulties or emergency, o i-consider mo itong si Cash Express kasi meron siyang 0% interest for the first 7 days, Mima. I-take advantage mo na yung Cash Express na yung 0% interest for the first 7 days. Kung kailangan mo ng kaperahan for emergency needs, di ba? I-consider mo itong si Cash Express as an alternative option for you. And of course, huwag kakalimutan basahin ng terms and conditions bago mag-apply. If you're interested, go ahead and click my link below sa description na Itechua. And of course, pa-comment naman kung na-approve na kayo, Itechua, yung mga mima. Anyways, pagpatuloy natin. So, nandito na ako sa office. So, nangunguna itong si Finbro, mga mima. So, itong si Finbro, meron siyang 0% interest for the first loan. So, kung hindi niya pa na-try itong si Finbro, ang offer niya is from 1,050,000. So, syempre, bilang isang beginner or first time jutangera with Finbro, hindi mo na kaya approve ng ganun kalaki, hindi ba? Huwag kayong mag-expect na malaking amount yung makukuha ninyo. Manage your expectation, mga mima. Kasi for first time jutangera with Finbro, I believe you can loan up to 10,000 pesos. Kapag repeat borrower ka na, you can get up to 50,000 pesos na. So, ang kanyang interest is 0% for the first 7 days kung first time jutangera ka. At marami na daw ang nasa-satisfied ng mga customers. 98% di umano of their customers are very satisfied with Finbro service. Kasi nga gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, itong si Finbro, hindi mo kailangan ng app na i-download, di ba? Much less hassle siya kasi ikaw talaga namang jutang na dumiretso ka na agad sa website nila. So, yung pagda-download kasi ng app, dagdag storage pa sa mga phone mo, hindi ba? And may mga permissions pang kinukuha. So, itong si Finbro, fortunately, wala siyang ganon. So, why choose Finbro? Kasi it only takes one valid ID and selfie to proceed daw. Hindi mo na kailangan ng payslip or document na ipapasa. And so, you can get approved for the application within few minutes daw. And of course, 24/7 ang kanyang registration. So, kung jutang na kayo, emergency yan at madaling araw, open sila 24/7, mima. So, mag-ano ka lang, punta ka lang mismo sa website nila. So, meron akong link dito sa description kung gusto mo mag-apply ng Finbro. Click nyo lang dyan para ma-redirect na agad kayo doon sa application process. As you all know, itong si Finbro, legit siya kasi may SEC registration siya. And of course, accredited din siya ng CICS submitting entity under siya ni Sophie Lending Inc. So kapag magsa-sign up ka kung first time mo, syempre, mas pabor ito sa mga first time jutangera kasi nga kuha kayo ng 0% interest for your first loan. So, ang gagawin mo lang, i-fill out mo lang yung application, which is your personal information. They need your first name, middle name, last name, tapos yung ID mo, birth date mo, kailangan din yung gender, civil status, contact information like email and phone number. And then, as i-verify lang yung phone number mo, you can get and you need to enter the code and then password. Tapos agree ka lang dyan sa terms and conditions. So sabi dito, the final available loan amount is subject to the credit worthiness review and approval process of Finbro.ph only. So you will need to also check the terms and conditions before continuing and before finalizing everything. So always read the terms and conditions, mga mima. Yun nga lang sa akin, yung experience ko sa with Finbro, lagi akong rejected with Finbro. Kaya ganon. Pero itong susunod nating hihimay-himayin, itong si MoneyCut. Yes, instant cash loan din siya. Na meron din daw, first loan mo ay free ang interest. So meron na akong account with MoneyCut before. Tapos nakailang beses na rin akong nanghiram sa kanya. And okay naman siya for the first loan ko kasi nga nakatanggap ko ng free interest. Sabi dito, you can borrow daw up to 20,000 pesos. Yung kanilang pa-servisyo is instant. So with our instant cash loan online service, you don't need to confirm income, bring references, visit our office. So walang ganun. So totoo ito. Kasi hindi ko na kinailangang magbigay or mag-submit ng dokumento like payslip or COE to prove na talagang kumikita ako or may income ako. Walang ganon. Masasabi ko na safe siya. Hindi 100% pero at least hindi na kinailangang kunin yung mga contacts ko kung sino yung mga references ko. Ganyan. Kasi nga, dito lang mismo sa website nila, ako nag-apply. So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan, syempre, ilagay-lagay mo lang yung number mo, tapos email mo. And then, they have easy steps or 4 easy steps to get a loan and pay it back. So, MoneyCut, the most reputable instant cash loan online website in the Philippines with simple procedures, quick disbursement, and professional support staffs will meet the different needs of customers. So, ito, magsa-sign up ka, number 1, fill up the application and confirm using the OTP code. And then, you will get an SMS notification about approval within 30 minutes after the phone call. And then, pangatlo, you get the money and receive the money in your bank card within 30 minutes daw. So, pagka kuha mo ng disbursement, so of course, you make a repayment and then pay back through any method using DragonPay. Pinagtitingin ako ng vouchers. Etong si MoneyCut, very flexible daw siya when it comes to payment terms. Sabi dito, our platform provide instant cash loan online with flexible terms, helping customers to choose the best fit depending on their financial situations and ability to repay the loan. You will get terms of 3 to 6 months. Okay? And then, yun nga, 500 to 20,000 pesos ang kanyang loan amount. And then, ang interest rates na ito lang yung medyo, tagilid ako kasi nga, malaki yung interest na 11.9% per month. Oh, no! Kung repeat ka na dito, medyo mapapaisip ka ng konti kasi malaking bagay yung 11.9% per month eh. Malaki yun, as in malaking interest yun. So, recommended ko siya as kung first time borrower ka with MoneyCut. And pang emergency talaga, wala ka nang, parang always deny ka na sa mga ibang pautangan. Tapos nakita mo, ito na yung pinaka last resort mo si MoneyCut. Okay yon kung first time borrower ka with MoneyCut. You take advantage of the free interest for the first loan. So alamin natin what is the interest rate and charges. Sabi dito, with our instant cash loan service, we offer loans for our first time borrowers with 0% interest and no processing fee. For repeat borrowers, you may check the interest and other fees on our terms and conditions and disclosure the statement before submitting your application. So, yung interest daw is depends also on the approved amount and terms. Having good credit standing with us will give you lower interest rates to build a good credit score, continue availing our service and products. Ganun. So how long are the terms available? So our loan terms available are from 7 days up to 30 days. So you may request your desired term, but please note that your request is subject to approval based on our system evaluation and credit scoring daw. So magkano daw ba ang pwedeng majutang din? So for our online loans fast approval service, the loanable amount ranges from 500 to 20,000 now. Note that your initial requested amount may differ from the approved amount after the assessment of your application. Siyempre, magdedepende pa rin sila, no? Doon sa ability mo to pay. Sabi ko nga, manage your expectation. Kasi, kung first time jutanghera ka, medyo ano pa to, hindi pa ganun kataas yung makukuha mo. So, they have also contact information if you want to contact them. Meron silang email dyan. And they are also SEC registered, and I believe they are also accredited with the CIC na, itong si Manicat. At lastly, of course, si Cash Express. So, as you all know, si Cash Express, meron din siyang 0% interest for the first loan. You don't have to pay any interest for the first 7 days kung first time na borrower ka with them. Ang kanilang offer is actually from 1,000 to 20,000 pesos. So, ito maganda rin siya kasi hindi mo na kailangan nga talaga ng app para i-download. Walang permissions or whatsoever na hinihingi. So, less hassle nga siya and much safer siya kasi sa website mo siya gagawin. So, wala siyang ganung kukuning mga impormasyon sa'yo. Just the basic information when applying for any loan, diba? So, you can get a quick approval in 5 minutes daw, which is true kasi nasubukan ko na to. And you can loan up to 20,000 pesos and isang valid ID lang ang kailangan mo. Okay, 1 document lang. Napakabilis nga niyang applyan kasi simple and quick solution at the tip of your fingertips. You can apply anywhere, wherever you are. Kasi 24/7 siya, kasi website nga siya, hindi ba? Hindi natutulog ang website. Unless may maintenance siya, pero I never experienced naman na nagkaroon ng maintenance yung website ng Cash Express kasi anytime pwede akong mag-apply kahit madaling araw. Tapos ang disbursement na once na-approve na siya, madi-disburse agad-agad sa aking bangko. Ang bilis niya, as in 5 minutes nandyan na siya. Advanced and secured siya kasi nga they utilizes advanced digital tools to ensure your data is protected. And one thing more is they also have they are compliant with NPC or National Privacy Commission. They use the highest level of security to process and store your data. So, garantisado daw yung confidentiality ng inyong impormasyon. Fast and convenient siya kasi nga sabi ko nga 5 minutes lang tapos na yung application mo. You'll get the instant decision in just 5 minutes. So napakadali lang, mamima, mag-register ka lang and then get verified and then you'll get the money instantly to your bank. So if you want to apply, you can use my link in the description. Click mo lang yung link ko dyan sa description para ma-direct ka na agad doon sa application process. So as you all know, ito naman si Cash Express is very legit kasi nga SEC registered siya and may accreditation siya with CIC. So ito yung contact information niya. You can contact them for further questions if you want to know more about their products. So yun lang. Again, if you are going to make jutang-jutang with these 3 instant or quick cash loan na nabanggit ko, make the best decision before applying. Of course, you have to know them first and kilatisin nyo ng mabuti itong mga nabanggit ko. And maganda siya as a first time borrower kasi nga meron siyang 0% interest for your first loan. Hindi mo na kailangan, walang patong-patong. So yung iba dyan, wala din processing fee. So, and good for emergency purposes kung kinakailangan mo talaga ng matatakbuhan. At hindi ka ma-approve sa mga ibang online loans or mga pautangan, these are alternative options for you to reconsider. So again, apply at your own risk, read the terms and conditions before applying, and be a responsible jutangera. Maraming salamat. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell para every time na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong mga video, review, kayo unang ma-judge ang punan. So nandito ako sa office, medyo mahinhin yung boses ko kasi ang dami ka. May mga tumitingin-tingin dyan. Charis. May mga kapugihan, charis. Anyways, maraming salamat, Mami Maria.